I just saw one comment to explain type 1 and type 2 error in hypothesis testing. To understand the concept of error, let's go back in history. This is a story of more than a century ago. There was one doctor. He used to see large number of cases of esophageal cancer in his clinic. So he wondered what is causing this esophageal cancer in that area. So he decided to explore the risk factors. So the first study he did was relationship between tea consumption and incidence of esophageal cancer. So he set his null hypothesis that drinking more than 2 cups of tea does not cause esophageal cancer, and his alternate hypothesis was drinking more than 2 cups of tea causes esophageal cancer. He did prospective cohort study for a long time, and ultimately he published his result. His result concluded that drinking more than 2 cups of tea causes esophageal cancer. So this was shocking news. It got published in newspaper and widely circulated in public media. So researchers from different parts of the world got interested in exploring this relationship, because if this is true, then we have to stop consuming tea, right? So they later did multiple studies in different parts of the world, and later they did meta-analysis, and they found that in fact it is not, drinking more than 2 cups of tea does not cause esophageal cancer. So why the error occurred in the first study, right? So there was some error in the first study, and that led to false positive conclusion, right? That tea consumption causes esophageal cancer. So he found false positive association. So a statistician called this type 1 error because it was discovered first time, right? And the researchers found false positive association. In fact, the null hypothesis was true, but that first researcher rejected the null hypothesis. The null hypothesis was true, there was no association, but that first researcher rejected the true null hypothesis. So they called it type 1 error. And later they also found many studies where they found that they have mentioned that in some researchers that these risk factors do not cause disease, but in fact that was also false. When they did meta-analysis and multiple big studies, they found that there was association between those risk factors and disease, but some small studies had concluded that risk factor does not cause disease. So there is false negative association. False negative means there is in fact relationship, but researchers have concluded that there is no association. So false negative, right? So researchers have accepted the false null hypothesis, right? So the null hypothesis says that there is no relationship, there is no association, and that researcher has accepted the false null hypothesis. So a statistician called this type 2 error, right? Where a researcher accept false null hypothesis, right? So this is type 2 error, and where researcher reject null hypothesis and gives false positive association. So that is called type 1 error.